Okay, welcome to this little tutorial for Carnap. So I'm just entering the URL that I sent you guys, and you shouldn't have to enter your Gmail information, but it may prompt you to do that. Just go ahead and use your Wake Forest one. It should take you to this page that says, looks like you need to register, and what you'll do is enter your name, skip the university ID part. I don't think you need to enter that, and then use that drop down menu to find Philosophy 221A, which is our symbolic logic section. Click register and you'll be taken to your homepage, and then you can click on the assignment for the week, and I'm just going to take you through here how to do the first assignment set, which is translations, and then the second one. And so as you can see, you just enter your translation in that little bar, and it's not actually going to let you submit until you've matched it, and I'm changing these settings as we go. So for these early ones, is once you have entered it, what you think the translation is, you just click enter or return when your cursor is in that bar, and it should pop up if you've gotten it right with perfect match, and then you can submit it, and I believe only then can you submit it with these ones. So this gives you something to check against. Once you submit it, it'll turn green like this, and your submit button will no longer be available, and you do that with each problem individually. They'll then pop up on my side, and I'll be able to see that you completed them. As for the other non-derivation set for this week, these ones are just multiple choice, so it's pretty straightforward. I don't think you actually have to click enter or return before submit. I don't know for sure whether it will let you submit incorrect answers, but because it's multiple choice, if not, you can narrow it down pretty quickly. And I'll upload a couple more videos, one for basic derivation walkthrough, how we do it on Carnap, and then the other just some advice about symbolization on Carnap and which buttons to press on your keyboard to get the arrow or the negation sign. And I'm going to go ahead and do the three other logical connectives as well, even though we haven't learned them yet, just so that for the future you'll know how to type those out in a way that Carnap recognizes. Okay, let me know if you have any issues registering. See ya.